So Q5, I'm coming home from a 15 miles road test, and the only thing I hear when braking, and you have to brake kind of hard to make it happen, but it's coming from behind my seat. You hear that? And I believe there is something rolling behind my chair. Let's see if I can duplicate it. Obviously, I don't know where I'm filming because I am driving, but I'm gonna take a look behind the chair and see if there's something rolling. That's all I can hear when braking. The brakes are working fine. I put the car on the lift, checked everything. There's nothing loose. So I think whatever is behind the driver's seat is probably what's loose and probably what you are hearing. I don't know. I shall continue to investigate it.